Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe video update today. And with every single pump you're going to be bullish, with every single dump you're going to be bearish, and that's just the biggest stress in crypto. Sideways are just really torture to your brain. If the market is moving up, you just feel like things are getting good, and if now they're moving down, it looks like things are about to get worse, and then it's going to pump back up again, and then you're going to think everything is doing absolutely fine. But the thing is that as I said before, I'm going to tell you that the time is coming until 20th of February. That's all. 21 more days, and today's the last day to join the private on Discord as well. If you want to get into that, message me. Thing is, do remember that this is probably the dead end for me. If you go to 974, I kind of believe that things may actually get even worse and move down from there. And that's it for this very speedy update. I'm not going to extend the video because there's nothing much to even talk about in here. It's just this consolidation. We may actually still pump back up to 1163, then come down to 1054, continue. And yeah, if you end up breaking up, very good. That's where you will probably move, or just break to the downside, and that's where you move to the downside. So wait for the break. It's gonna take time, but it's coming hopefully somewhere down the road. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.